We use white chalk and black chalk, and we're going to create a winter scene of trees. The first thing we do is try and get a nice block white at the top of the page, and then lighten up the pressure so it blends. So we're going from thick white at the top down to about halfway. Okay, then we're going to do the same again. We're going to work the chalk in really thick, horizontal line, and then, oops daisy, blend down. Now it's quite dusty using chalk. Do resist the urge to blow the chalk out of the way. You can clean it later. Okay, so what we've got here is our background that we can work up onto. We've got our sky and our ground, and we're going to start to put some trees in. First thing is just we're going to work some lines. Now they're too straight for trees, so this is where we can make them a little bit thicker, and you can kind of loosen your line a little bit so they don't have to be quite so straight, and extend the branches off. The bottom of the trees, if you do kind of a V shape, that just makes it look as if the tree's growing into the ground. As they branch out, they should get thinner and finer, and you can build quite a lot of these in. So you want to create kind of an organic look. We'll just put one more in here. Now this technique works quite well with just a few trees, or you can add in quite a lot more trees into the background. Obviously the higher up you add them, creates depth. It looks like a distance that you're creating. So you can experiment with different trees, different thicknesses. Okay, we'll make these ones a little bit thicker as they're a bit closer. Okay, we want them to have a little bit of shadow on the ground. So this is where you can take your finger and just kind of pull away the bottom part of the chalk, and it creates a nice shadow. Sometimes you have to work a little bit of chalk back in where it's smudged a bit. Looks like there wants to be another tree there, so we'll put one in. Okay, and we have some trees in winter.